Hi everyone, so today we will be discussing something that I think would be very helpful for those people who are just starting out with their business. So these are the 5 things that you have to know before you start your dropshipping business. Number 1, have a separate bank account. You have to separate your personal bank account and your business bank account. I personally learned this the hard way because it makes the accounting process much more complicated than it is if you mix your personal funds and your business funds. It's also important to separate the money so that you can easily manage your finances and know how much your actual profits are. Number 2, don't just focus on finding a winning product. A lot of beginner dropshippers tend to focus on finding that product that has a hype or has some sort of fame. However, for businesses, sustainability is actually much more important. Sustainability means that your product would sell for years and years to come. So if you have a trending product, make sure that you have a backup source of income just in case the product life cycle of that product dies down. Number 3, be transparent with your customers. If your products are coming from China, make sure that you have a FAQ section on your website and you have to indicate just that. Your products are coming from your warehouse in China or a factory in China. Some customers are against Chinese manufacturers, so it's actually better for you, for that customer not to buy than you dealing with chargebacks and complaints, because these would definitely cost your business in the long run. Also, I advise that you be transparent with your shipping time as well, because customers tend to be more patient if they know that the product will be delivered in a certain time frame. Number 4, have a responsive customer service team. And if you're just starting, make sure to reply to all emails. If you're not familiar yet, Facebook has this customer feedback system, and if you receive a low feedback score, you might be penalized. So that would make your ads cost a lot higher than normal. And much worse, you could also be banned from advertising on Facebook and on Instagram. Number 5, treat it as a real business and focus on your customers. You cannot just rely on the advertising aspect of the business. You have to take into account your website, make sure it is professional looking, and also take into account the feedback of your customers. In this way, you can advance and grow your business into having a private label brand. Just take Gymshark as an example. They also started as a dropshipping business selling supplements, but they were able to improve their products and services, so now they are a billion-dollar business. At the end of the day, all successful businesses have repeat customers who are loyal to their brand. So that's it. I hope you guys find this helpful, and these tips do not only apply to dropshipping businesses but to other types of businesses as well. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give this a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and healthy. Wishing you all success. Bye.